Hi, welcome to the sixth part of the Spur gear housing in Siemens NX, and this will be the final part. Today I want to make the interior. So let's hide the solids and make all those sketches visible. I will need two more planes, so I want to go back here and make this the current feature, because it's easier to move those planes into that feature group. So I go for another datum plane, which should be parallel to the YZ plane, so to this one. And first one would be at 21 millimeter. And the second one, again parallel to the same plane, should be at minus 21. Okay, let's rename those two. This should be minus 21 plane, and this would be the 21 plane. Now let's move both of them into that feature group. Now let's go back here and make this the current feature, and I have to again hide those solids and make all sketches visible. Okay, great. Okay, first I want to copy some of those sketches. So I will need this one, that's 004, and that one, that's 005. So let's go here to sketch 4 and 5. Okay, copy them and just paste them. Because they remain on the same plane, it doesn't really matter, so I can just confirm. So these are the two new ones, and I might hide the originals, at least for the moment, this one and that one, and hide them. And I will need also a copy of this sketch here, and that would be sketch 007. Let's check it out. That's this one here, yes. Go for copy and just paste it. Control V, and again we can confirm. Let's hide the original one, this one. Now, those two diameters have to be changed. In order to do that correct, I need the solids just for a moment to identify which one is which. So bring back. So this one should be 80 and the other one should be 85. Great. Let's hide them. So this one here, this should be 80, and finish that sketch, and this one here should be 85. Great. And that sketch, this one here, should be changed as well. And this one here should be, I think it's 30. And the length should be 80. Finish. Great. Now I could hide all the sketches, at least for the moment. Yes, and bring back just those three here. So this should be extruded up to those two planes and this one as well. So go for extrude, make it up. Let's first select the sketch, start with this one, and this should go, sorry, up to, so Y, select the curve, now it's selected, and let's switch this one to until selected. That would be, of course, this plane, and again until selected up to that plane. It should be a new body, yes, apply, then select this sketch and do the same, go for until selected, this one, and on the opposite side again until selected up to this plane here, and confirm. Now that one here should go up to this plane, but it might start with a 1 mm offset, because that's 12 and the bottom is 30 mm. So let's go for another extrude. Select this sketch here, that would be, just move it over here a little bit, go for the last sketch, this one here, and it should start with, I think it's 1 mm offset, should be. Let's take a closer look. It's really hard to see, and the end should be until selected, and that would be the upper plane here, this one. Let's take a close look. Yeah, that's okay. It starts with 1 mm offset and should be a new one, and confirm. Great. This needs to be filleted with 5 mm. So go for an edge blend, 5 mm on all 4 edges, and confirm. That's okay. Now let's hide those solids here. Switch back to the solid view and make those 3 invisible. And I could hide all sketches, at least for the moment. Now I need a solid, but I should have done this before, but I can go back in time. So let's switch back to timestamp order. I will need the first solid I've created, and that would be around here, maybe here. Let's go back and make this a current feature. Yes, that's the solid I need. I need a copy of that solid, so I want to extract the geometry. So let's go over here and go for extract geometry. Where is it? There you go. I want to extract a body, and I could fix it at the current timestamp, otherwise it will not work. And I want it to be associative, yes. So let's select this body here, and because it's fixed at the current timestamp, I can make a copy. Now, right now, 2 solids should be visible. Let's switch back over here, and that's the original one, and that's the new one. And now I want to make thicken, but with a negative value. So let's go for surface, go for thicken, and I want to thicken. Let's go for tangent faces, this here all around. that face and this face, and I want to go for -6 millimeter. And of course I want to subtract it from this. No, I don't want to subtract it, I just want to make a new solid, and let's confirm. So there is that solid bottom thicken, and that's the other one. And if I subtract this one from that one, which I could, if I go to the thicken command and go for subtract from this one here and confirm, which gives me a smaller inner body. And I also will need 1 millimeter offset from this face here. So I want to go for another thicken if it's possible. So go for thicken. Again, go for a negative value, -1. And I want to subtract it, but first the face, this face, and I want to subtract it from this body here and confirm, which should give me the correct solids. Let's check it out. Yeah, seems legit. Now let's switch back to our non-timestamp order or timestamp order and bring back those last solids, make it current feature, yes, and show this one here, that one here, and that's okay. I will need fillets, 5 millimeter fillets on those edges. So go for edge blend, 5 millimeter on this edge and that edge. Apply, and then go all around on this edge here and confirm. Okay. Okay. Maybe I will hide those bodies, and I need sketch 4 and 5, so that would be, where is it? That's the one, and this one, and I want to extrude them between this plane and that one, and this plane and that one. So go for an extrude, go, don't stop on intersection, select this one here, and this should go from until selected, start, let's start here, and go up to that one. That should do the trick. Apply, and on the other side as well. So select it once more and go from this one here up to that one. Apply. Now same for the other sketch. Select it. Again go from until selected here to until selected there. Apply, and again go from until selected here to until selected there, and confirm. And now I want to remove those solids from, I think it's that one. no, sorry, this one here. So let's subtract those from this one here. So let's go for home, go for subtract, and the target would be this one, and the tools are these here. And confirm. I don't want to keep the target and I don't want to keep the tool, like that. Now let's bring back those other solids. This one, and this one, and that one. Yes, this looks really good. And I have to use blends here, and I will do them after combining them or before it's easier to see. So let's just hide those here, this one here, and that one. So let's go for edge blend, 10 millimeter. Where's my mouse? There you go. On this edge and that edge, and also on the opposite side, on this one and that one here, and confirm. Great. Okay, for those blends or fillets here, I will need a limit curve. In order to make that limit curve, I will need 2 more planes. So again, go up there, because it's easier to relocate those planes. And I need 2 more planes with a distance from that one with 5 millimeter, and another one on this side. No, sorry. Another one to that one here, and it should be minus 5 millimeter. And okay. Let's go back here, make it the current feature, hide the solids all, and just bring back, hide the sketches, and just bring back those last solids. This one, that's the one I need. And I need intersection curves. So let's go for curve, go for intersection, select face, tangent face, that's okay, from this face here, and the plane would be the one with the offset, this one here. Apply on the other side as well, go here and select the plane, that would be this one here, and confirm. And now I can make a fillet with this one as limit curve, and that would be a face blend. But I want to move those planes into that feature group. Okay. Let's go for home, go for the edge blend here, go for face blend. It should be a 2-phase face blend, yes. Phase 1, that would be this one, a single phase, yes. And the second phase would be tangent one, this one here, okay. I need it to be with a limit curve, and the limit curve would be on phase 2, so the tangent limit curve would be that intersection curve, this one here. Let's take a look. Yes, this looks really well. Same on the other side. So go for another face blend. Select this face. Go for tangent faces here. And that would be on face 2. Should be that limit curve here. Let's see if this works as well. Yes, great. Now let's bring back the other solids. Maybe switch over here. That would be this one, no. This one, that one, and this one. And now I can make a union. I can unite those. So go for unite. Select this as target and those 3 here as tools. I don't want to keep the target and the tool. Confirm. What's left to do? I need a 5mm fillet up here. So go for edge blend. Go for 5mm. Select that edge here and confirm. And this should be my complete inner body, which I want to remove from this body here. So make it maybe in a different color or different. Let's show it and go for transparency to make it better visible. Okay, and make this one here in a different color, which should provide enough insight. What's left to do? I want to subtract the magenta one from the gray transparent one, and I will leave all those holes up to you. So let's go for subtract. This would be the target, this would be the tool, and confirm. This looks really well. And I'm done for today. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, X, and especially on LinkedIn Learning or LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one.